Okay, open your YouTube channel. Once it's open, go to the library, down, the down part. Then the history in the upper part. So this is the first steps. Yes. This is all the channel which I watch, okay? So there is a read lines. Read lines. So meaning I already watch it. And watch hours goes to your watch time, to your watch hours. Okay, so you see this time watch. So it's also recorded how many minutes I watch for all the videos. 22 minutes I watch. So now, for example, this video I've already watched. Okay, for example, this video I watch. So if I watch that again, it will not be counted in my watch hours because it is still red, meaning I already watched it. So to be able to be counted when you watch again the video, you have to clear the history first. So I'm gonna teach you how to clear the history. So even if you watch again and again that same video, watch hours will be counted. So you just have to click this history. Okay, so that is the one which I watch. Click these three dots. You see that option, watched on TV, help and feedback, history control. So you just have to click the history control. Okay, so you see there is a clear watch history, clear search history. So down is pause like that. No need to touch that. Just clear watch history. See what is rating. Your YouTube watch history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. Okay, it will be cleared. Clear watch history. Cleared. Second is clear search history. This is the search you type, like if you're searching for other channel. So we will clear that also. Clear search, cleared history. Okay, now we'll see. This list has no videos. Okay, finish. So we'll go back. We'll go to the search history, finish. So everything is gone. It's no more. Then we'll go back to the time watch. It was 22 minutes before. So 22 minutes is gone also. When you clear the history, search history, everything will be cleared. So even if you watch again that same video, now again it will be recorded and it will go again to your watch hours. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you find it like helpful and informative, please like and share. Thank you. So, ito yung ginagawa namin. Magsisend muna kami ng proof ng clear history. Dapat 00 siya. Ayan. Clear ang watch, ang history ng watch and search videos. Cleared ang watch late, cleared ang watch time. Tapos yung videos dapat nasa watch later para safe siya at counted. Yan, pinagsama-sama namin lahat ng mga videos ng mga ka-members para isang isang play all. Isisave mo siya sa watch later, tapos i-play mo siya lahat. Then after that, ito ayan, diba naka-read na, meaning tapos na kaning play. Yan, lahat na yan na play. Lahat ng mga members, ng mga videos. Ganyan. Kasi kung hindi siya naka full read, meaning hindi siya na-watch ng buo. So, kailangan talaga naka-read siya. Ayun. Ayan na. Di ba kanina 0 yan, cleared yan. So, kung ilang oras yung video, yan din yung oras na naka-record. So, yun. Tapos, send na namin na yun na yung proof namin. So, ganun lang.